Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change account information or add account information to the Naukri Job Search application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the jobs button down below and click on this menu icon at the top. Tap on settings, which is the first option. Click on account, that's the second one, and here you can change your email address. As you can see, it's your login ID and recruiters will reach out to you here. So tap on this pencil icon to change it. As you go back, you can also add your phone number. So recruiters may reach out to you regarding jobs on this number, and you can also change your password at this page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.